Hello friends, welcome to UpTech CAD CAM Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. Starting with today's topic, we are going to create a 3D printed Slinky, that is helical spring. In this video, I'll cover both CAD and CAM software, further with a solid component by a 3D printer. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So, very first question is, what is Slinky?
Slinky.
Yes, correct. It is a pre-compressed helical spring toy, generally made up of plastic. Now, for an example, we are going to create a Slinky by a 3D printer, with having objective of creating super springy and having higher flexibility of a real 3-dimensional object. Let us start with CATIA Software. Next, get into generative shape design. Next, take helix command and define a starting point of helix and other parameters of helix. Now we have created outer helix. Again take helix command and define starting point of helix with their parameters. Next, take sketch command and define profile for helical spring. Next, take sweep command with two guide curves and select profile, guide curve 1 and guide curve 2. Next, take fill command and fill both ends of helix with surfaces. Then take join command to create single surface. Then click on start button, mechanical design and part design. Then take close surface command. Next,
take sketch command and draw a rectangle profile to cut upper and lower end of the spring. Next, take groove command and select sketch, select axis and chop off the upper and lower end of the spring. Next, take sketch command and draw profile at the lower end of the spring, further with pad option. Again repeat, take sketch command and draw profile at the upper end of spring, further with pad option. Next, take dynamic section analysis to see the gap between two springs is perfect, that is 0.25. Next, to generate STL file, click on Start button. Under Machining, click on STL Rapid Prototyping. Next, take Tessellation command from STL Mesh tab and hit Apply, then OK. Then click Tessellation and click on STL Export and define path where to save file, then click OK button. Next, open Cura software to generate Toolpath and open the STL file of spring. Next, in Cura software, define different parameters like layer height 0.15, infill 100%, temperature of filament 210 degrees Celsius, print speed 50 mm per second, bed temperature 50 degrees Celsius. Next, save toolpath, that is G code, to SD card, ready for 3D printer. Learning outcomes. Yes, CAD and CAM software plays an important role for rapid prototyping. In this project, we have learned how to create CAD modeling in CATIA software and then how to generate part programming in Cura software, further with 3D printing. With that said, if you like this video, please do hit like button. If you have any questions regarding, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my level best to solve it. Do hit subscribe button for more such cool stuff. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.